GSMB Technical Services Private Limited is a subsidiary company of Geological Surveys and Mines Bureau, which was set up to provide and facilitate technical services needed for the geology and mining industry. The GSMB Technical Services was registered as a fully government-owned limited liability company on 12 September 2001 by Registrar of Companies under the Company Act No. 17 of 1982. Mining in the engineering discipline is the extraction of minerals from underneath, above or on the ground. Mining engineering is associated with many other disciplines such as mineral processing, exploration, excavation, geology and metallurgy, geotechnical engineering and surveying. Mining division. A mining engineer may manage any phase of mining operations from exploration and discovery of the mineral resources through feasibility study, mine design, development of plans, production and operations to mine closure. Mining division is the major part of the income to GSMB Technical Services Private Limited. We provide following services at a very competitive terms to the entire satisfaction of our clients: blasting monitoring, environmental impact assessments, dust, noise, vibration, etc. Technical officer services. All the above services are conducted according conditions in licenses issued by Geological Survey and Mines Bureau. We have vast experienced teams which consist experienced mining engineers and technical officers in our division to provide industrial solutions. Blasting monitoring. Measuring and controlling the blasting parameters according to the GSMB license. Explosive monitoring and controlling. Measuring ground vibration and air blast over pressure using blast mates. Rehabilitation plans. EIA. Environmental impact assessments.
මම කැලුම් පෙරේරා ලංකාවේ පළවෙනි පාවෙන හොටෙල් එක තමයි මේ කරගෙන යන්නේ බෝලගල් ෆ්ලෝටින් රිසෝට් කියලා. ඒකට තමයි සම්පූර්ණ GSMB මොනිටරින් එකෙන් උදව් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. අපිට සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩාරියක් තිබුණා පටන් ගන්නවත් එක්කම මේක මැටි කපපු වලක් තමයි සම්පූර්ණ අරගෙන මේ විදිහට පුනරුත්ථාපන කටයුත්තක් හැටියට පටන් ගත්තේ. ඒක කරගෙන යනකොට ගමේ කට්ටියගේ හිතුවේ නෑ මේ වගේ මෙච්චර හොඳ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකක් එයි කියලා. ඒකින්ද මුලදී ලොකු ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩක් තිබුණා. ඒ ප්‍රශ්න ගොඩකට ආදාළ ආයතනෙන් ආපු නිලධාරියත් සෑහෙන ප්‍රශ්න වලට මුහුණ දුන්නා. ඉතින් ඒ නිලධාරි මහත්තයා කොහොම හරි මේ ප්‍රශ්න ගමේ කට්ටියට තේරුම් කරලා මේ දුර මට ගෙනියන්න මේක මේ හොඳ ප්‍රොජෙක්ට් එකක් ඉන්න කරන්න පුළුවන් උපරිම උදව්ව ඒ මහත්තයාගේ පැත්තෙන් මට ලැබිලා තියෙනවා. වැඩ කටයුතු දැනට 85%ක 90%ක වගේ ප්‍රගතියක් තියෙනවා. අපි දෙසැම්බර් වෙනකොට මේක විවෘත කරන්න බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා.
Vibration monitoring using instantaneous blast mates to measure the vibration levels in the nearest structures to the construction sites, piling sites, machinery activities and compaction activities. Noise level measurement by using noise level meter NL42 type 2 according to the CEA Noise Act, which is conducted in the areas such as crusher plants, asphalt plants, machinery activities and construction activities. Dust measurement monitoring is one aspect of air quality that industrial hygienists uses to determine the amount of dust particles present in the workplace. Cities or communities over a given period of time using a high volume air sampler APM 460 DXNL concentration of total suspended particulate matter TSPM measured in the workplaces such as asphalt and crusher plants. Also, we conduct baseline noise and dust measurements. Crack surveys. We conduct crack surveys to identify the pre-construction condition of the structures before the commencement of a demolition, new construction or development works in nearby areas. In our service, all prominent defects of existing structure in the form of cracks, settlement, movement, water seepage, distortion, subsidence, and other building defects will be recorded with photographs and details. GPS survey. GPS stands for Global Positioning System, and it uses signals from satellites to pinpoint a location on the Earth's surface, determining a position, location, creating a map of an area. Mapping. EVR. Preparation economic viability reports for quarry, sand and gravel sites. Preparation of project proposal reports on mining field. Technical officer services. According to the GSMB licenses, our technical officers monitor following conditions in the activities such as soil excavation, clay excavation, gravel excavation, aggregate excavation, and sand excavation. Slope stability and slope angle, depth of the mucking area, impact to the environment. Geology division of the company commenced its proud service since 2011 as separate division. Capacity of the division. As a division, we are comfortable about the working capacity with the human resources we are having within the division steered by senior geologist Mr. Pawan Deshanta Maharajji. With the guidance of the head of the division, there are 6 geologists, 2 scientists, 2 technical officers, and 2 management assistants who are ready to engage in the operations of the division. Services ready to provide. Geology division provides services under different geology related operations and projects. Mineral reserve estimations. We come up with our service through studying on mineral resources formed as alluvium, colluvium and placer deposits. The field team estimate those reserves using their equipments and their expertise. Environmental studies. The division has the capacity to carry out any kind of environmental study related to mineral or construction industry. Geotechnical investigations. The division engages to geotechnical investigations with well-experienced geologists, technical officers, and related geotechnical equipment. 9 shallow drill machines, 2 deep drill machines. Mineral explorations. Detailed geological mapping programs, field sampling activities are come out by the division on behalf of companies willing to invest in economic minerals in Sri Lanka. Geophysical surveys. We provide geophysical investigations to our customers as vertical electrical sounding surveys, ground penetration radar surveys, and VLF surveys. Successfully completed projects. As the Geology division of GSMB Technical Services Private Limited, we are more successful as we completed many projects related to above mentioned sectors. Reserve estimation and volume surveys. Conducted over 30 major projects for client base including Chilau Plantation, China Harbour Engineering, and some dolomite and vein quartz projects. EIA, Kokilai, Kokkutuduwai Coastal Stretch EIA, Colombo Port City EIA. IEER over 25 major projects including river and sand mining at Modokku Thetti and Mahaweli River, Kotigambokka Vein Quartz Project, graphite mining projects for MRL Graphite Limited and Circon Development Private Limited. There are many mineral exploration projects that we successfully completed. Etipola Mica Project, graphite investigation, heavy mineral explorations. Over 150 land-based sand surveys in Ambalanthota, Galle, and Betikola districts were carried out in last 5 years. Surveys in Madhuruwaya, Ulhitiya and Mahaweli River are some river sand surveys that we successfully completed. We have appreciable technological knowledge to carry out some drone surveys. We have successfully completed drilling operations for Dimension Stone project in Kalutara, vein quartz projects in Randeniya, recently did investigation on limestone mining project in Vanathavilluwa area. Why choose us? A crew with more technically sound and well experienced in each and every required field in mineral industry. More importantly, we are the only government organization that registered so far among the other companies to provide technical and consultancy services in mineral industry.